Okay, for this video I'm going to go through the fingerspelling, and that's the sign for fingerspelling, which is basically the BSL alphabet from A to all the way up to the letter Z. The only other thing I think I didn't mention in the foundations video was the fact that depending on what hand you are, so whether you're right-handed or left-handed, or I guess if you're ambidextrous, whatever hand you are, that will be your dominant hand. So I'm right-handed, so that's why when I sign, this is my dominant hand, your active hand. And when I do the fingerspelling alphabet, I will be going from my right hand to my left hand. So I guess before I start, I will go from A all the way up to Z, and I'll go fairly slowly because when you first start to learn, it's like, what is this? But a good tip to remember is that so I'm obviously right-handed, your 5 fingers are all the vowels. So you have A, E, I, O, U. So your thumb is A, your second finger or index finger is E, your middle finger is I, your ring finger is O, and then your pinky is U. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, which is meant to be like at the top of your hand, so L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, but obviously if it's flipped around it looks like that, Y, and Z. So that is the fingerspelling alphabet. And that one's really helpful for like communication barriers. So if we ever want to like learn a particular sign and we're not sure what sign we're trying to ask about, we can fingerspell it out to our lecturer, and then hopefully he'll have an idea. But it's really interesting because sometimes we would like, I think it was when we were learning food, we me and sort of like a friend in the class, we signed the word like wrap because we wanted to know if there was like a sign for wrap, and he didn't know, and then he just kind of did like a joke sign of like wrapping something up, and we were both laughing, and he was just a bit like, so we're like, oh, that's really interesting, so maybe there's not signs for everything. And I remember when I started to watch other videos of people sign in, that within deaf families they actually have their own special signs that they create that are special to just their family, and I was like, that's so cool. I find like deaf culture really interesting, and I was like, that's amazing. And they were like showing all these signs that they'd made up just for their family, and I'm like, that's just so cool. But anyway, if anyone's watched this, thank you, and I hope it was helpful. Bye.